Hi everyone, it's Tara. So I'm back to share what I picked up from Michael's last week. They had a great sale for the hot buys and I found a bunch of the ones that I wanted, and along with some other like Valentine's goodies and after Christmas sale stuff. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. I also have a project, a few little small projects that I started making with one of the new paper pads. So let's get started. Okay, so first up I have this Christmas, it was in the Christmas clearance, and they're just trims, and you don't get that much, I don't think, but it was on clearance. You get 4 yards each, and the colors, you know, gold and dark gold, they can go with, you know, pretty much anything. So, and I really like this one. So I picked those up. I'm not even sure how much I paid, but I know it was like really cheap. So got that. I also found this on clearance. It's the Crease and Curl by David Tutera. And I figured I could use this when I'm doing my bows and stuff, because I don't really make flowers, but it's perfect for when you're, like, I always curl my bows to help them bend a little easier. This is on clearance for $4.90 something, or $4 and some change, but I figured I could use that tool, so I grabbed that. And then I found these in the kids section, these felt shapes, and I did use a coupon on this, so I thought these were really nice. So they're really thick felt pieces, and you get 4 of the smaller ones, and you can see they're very thick, and they're so cute. They have like a little scalloped edge with hearts cut out. So you get the hot pink and then the red. Again, really thick, nice felt pieces. And then I also found these stickers, and my store was just starting to put out their Valentine's stuff. They had a bunch of different stickers, but nothing was on sale, and so I just grabbed these two. I thought these were really cute with they're like shaker mason jars. You see that? So that's cute. Hey, cupcake. So I'm wondering if Michael's is going to come out with another paper pad other than the hot buy, because I saw a lot of washi tape and things like that, some card packs. So I'm interested to see if they will actually have another paper pad. And then I got these stickers. I just thought these were cute, and they go along with the hot buy paper pad. So those were $3, and I had a coupon, so I paid, you know, obviously less than that. So this was on clearance, and this is the red foil paper, and I probably paid $1 and some change for it, but so I grabbed that. And then for the hot buy, I picked up this scrapbook album, and it goes along with one of the paper pads that I got. I just want to take this off so you can see here. Okay. So, count memories like stars. I thought this was so pretty. And my plan, I've been wanting to go back to making like a little scrapbook. And so I kind of want to do like just using pictures of myself and do like a whole album with just, you know, kind of telling my story. So my kids will have something once I'm not here on this earth anymore. But yeah, I thought that was fun, and you know, the albums were part of the buy one get 2 free, so I grabbed that. Okay, now for the paper pads, I did get 4. So I grabbed this Sweet Berry, and I know they have an embossed Valentine's Day one, but the colors were a little bit, I think the hot pink one kind of threw me off. So I didn't get that. I just got this one, and it kind of, I mean, I thought it just matched better with that Valentine's Day paper. You can also use this with the Easter one. So I'm going to flip through all of these. So I got Moonflower Magic, Be My Valentine, and then Spring and Hop. So I will do a full flip through. So you get 8 different shades. So I'll just flip through this one really quick. So that is the Sweet Berry. Next up, I have Moonflower Magic. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this is the paper that I'm going to use to make that scrapbook that I was talking about. So let's flip through this, and there's 2 of each sheet, and I might just go ahead and speed this up. That is Moonflower Magic. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love, love, love this paper pad. I mean, how can you not? The hollow, the purples, the blues, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm so happy with this and cannot wait to make something with that. So that's Moonflower Magic. Next up, I have Be My Valentine. So this is their Valentine's Day paper, the Hot Buy, and it's really, really pretty. Like I said, I already made a little something with this, so please stay tuned if you want to check that out at the end of this video. So, and it has gold foiling. You get 2 of each sheet. Michaels did a great job on this Valentine's Day paper this year. This has, I don't know if you can see, it's like gold, like polka dots. Really pretty, and then of course that's the gold foil. But like I was saying, Michaels did a great job this year. I think last year I was a little bit disappointed. The red was just off, but they did a great job this year. This says love and a little scripty font. This is really cute. This looks like little cut out cookies, and I just love it. Really cute. This print is really pretty. My camera will focus there. It's like a pinstripe, and it has like little hearts. It's so cute. Hopefully you can see that. Really pretty, dainty. Okay, so then here we have, let me go down a little bit here. So it's just like the cut aparts, gold foiled, really cute. There's those cookies again, and really nice. Okay, so here we have some hearts, like little, almost look like scripty little hearts. So I'm gonna go through this and I'll probably put it in fast play. So that is Be My Valentine, a really, really cute paper pad. The last one that I have here is called Spring and Hop. It is their Easter collection hot buy pad. I'm so glad Michaels actually came out with an Easter collection. So I believe that that's the first time they've done so. So let's take a look at this. It has gold foiling throughout, very spring and fun. So like I said, you get 2 of each page as per usual. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip through this, and I might put this in fast play as well. So that is Spring and Hop. And those are the paper pads. Now, if you want to check out what I've made, stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, I already started working with the Be My Valentine paper pad. I just kind of covered up this box here, and I love altering these. If you have seen any of my recent videos, you know I love altering these boxes, and I love using those big sheets to kind of cut down, and I find a use for them by covering boxes and things like that. So this is that first page that you saw. So I just kind of cut down that large sheet and to fit in where it says love. All right, so here's the inside top. I love that cookie paper. Super cute. So here's some of the little embellies I started making. So I made some bows, as you can see. You know, I was just playing around a little bit, and I wanted to at least, well, actually I couldn't wait to cut into it, but I wanted to at least show you guys some of the things. These are just a couple of rosettes. I obviously have not finished these yet. But yeah, I know a lot of people say, oh, I can't wait to see what you make with it. So you don't have to wait, you guys. You can kind of see what I've been making, even though this is not completed. But just to give you a little idea, I also made some of the cupcakes that I love, love, love to make. And here's another one. And then I did a couple, well, these are the only two that are finished, the little coffee cups that I like to make as well. And then here's a couple more of the cupcakes. I'm still gonna add, probably add like some heart stickers or something to the frosting, but just to give you an idea. And then here's the inside of that box. I'm just using a few of the different prints, but I'm liking the way it's coming out. Obviously it's not done, and I will probably go ahead and do a video once I finish this and some other things, but I did want to show you what I started. So yeah, that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.